Today we will go through English textbook which is of 2nd standard. This is of Macmillan's Education and CBSE syllabus. In this we will go through festivals and celebrations. In that chapter 4, Happy Deepavali. Warm up. We celebrate many festivals in our country. Which is your favorite festival? Why do you like it? Guess the festivals from these clues. We play with colors on this day. This is Holi. We keep gifts under a decorated tree, Christmas. We decorate our houses with lamps and lights, Deepavali. We make a sweet called Sevian, wear new clothes and pray at the mosque, Eid. Reading. Read this story to find out how Rohan celebrates Deepavali with his family. Rohan was playing chess with his father. He heard his mother call him for the kitchen. Rohan, can you come and help me clean the storeroom? Asked his mother. After we are done with the storeroom, I need you to help me clean your bedroom as well. No mom, today is Sunday. Please let me enjoy. But Rohan, we need to get the entire house clean in the next week. Don't you remember that Deepavali is just 15 days away? Aunt Simi and your cousins are coming to celebrate Deepavali with us. Oh yes, how could Rohan have forgotten? Deepavali is just around the corner. It was Rohan's most favorite festival. He did not mind helping his parents clean the whole house before Deepavali. After the house was cleaned, it was painted with a fresh coat of paint every year. Their house looked beautiful on the night of Deepavali. Every year, after the house was clean, Rohan's mother and grandmother started making sweets. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook and liked making all the sweets at home. They have been making lots of delicious items every Deepavali. Rohan's mouth started watering at the thought of delicious gulab jamuns and gujiyas that he would be eating in a few days. Finally, it was Friday. Next day was Deepavali. Though everyone was happy, Rohan was very sad. His mother had said that she will not buy any crackers for him this year. So he went to his father. Dad, I want to go and buy crackers. A whole lot of them, said Rohan. Just then his elder sister Anjali came into the room. Who took a pledge in school to say no to crackers? Asked Anjali. Don't you remember, Rohan? All the students of our school have promised not to buy crackers this year. Don't you remember how much smoke and dust the crackers caused last year? Rohan was silent. All his happiness vanished. After all, what was Deepavali without crackers? Anjali knew her brother was very fond of bursting crackers. Oh, come on, Rohan. We will make a rangoli with colors I have, she said, and trying to cheer him up. I will put fairy lights all over the house, said Grandpa. You will have to help me, Rohan. I have bought new clothes for everyone, said Mom. You can taste all the sweets to make sure they are tasty, added Grandma. Now Rohan brightened up. He couldn't wait for the next morning. It was indeed a very happy Deepavali for him. Reading comprehension. Pick the correct option to complete each sentence. Rohan's mother called him to help her clean the storeroom. Rohan was sad his mother had refused to buy him crackers. Rohan's sister Anjali reminded him about the pledge they took at school. Rohan's grandmother was making gulab jamuns and gujiyas. Answer these questions. What was Rohan doing when his mother called him? Who were coming to celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family? When was the house painted? Every year? What would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Deepavali? How did Rohan's excitement vanish? How did Rohan become happy again? Think and answer. Why should we say no to crackers? What are the things that make Deepavali so fun? Vocabulary. Many verbs and nouns go together. Burst a cracker, climb a tree. Match the verbs with the nouns they go with. One has been done for you. Read book, take bath, listen to music, go to the market, keep watch, watch a film. Then comes the grammar. Read these words. They end with ed. Brighten, clean, tasted, vanished, painted. These verbs tell us that these actions happened sometime before now. Such verbs are said to be simple past tense. Change each word into simple past tense. Open, opened, look, looked, cook, cooked, clean, cleaned, talk, talked, wash, washed, brush, brushed, walk, walked. Some verbs do not take an ed to form simple past tense. They change completely. Get, got, come, came, sell, sold, bring, brought, become, became, fall, fell, buy, bought, eat, ate, begin, began, grow, grew, break, broke, fly, flew. Some verbs do not change to form simple past tense. Cut, hurt, put, hit. Change the words in brackets into past tense and fill in the blanks. Jayanti bought sandwiches for lunch. Priya wrote a letter to her grandma. Lakshmi hurt herself on the swing. Prasun ate up all the cake. I did my homework and went out to play. Read these sentences. Rohan was playing chess with his father. Rohan's mouth started watering. In these sentences, the words was playing, started watering tell us about the actions that were happening in the past. Such words are said to be in past continuous tense. Let us see how the past continuous tense is formed. I, he, she, it plus was plus verb plus ing. You, we, they plus verb plus ing. Change the underlined words into past continuous tense and rewrite the sentences. One has been done for you. She is dancing on the stage. She was dancing on the stage. He is playing with his friends. He was playing with his friends. They are going to the beach. They were going to the beach. The snail is crawling very slowly. The snail was crawling very slowly. You are talking loudly. You were talking loudly. Listening. Listen to the sentences. Tick the name of the festival about which you hear. Holi, Dasara, Deepavali. This is Holi. Speaking. Tell your elbow partner about your favorite festival. Here are some hints to help you. Then comes the pronunciation. Here are some words with the silent letter T. Castle, depot, listen, often. Read these words aloud. They have a silent T. Catch, watch, visual, hasten, Bristol, Russell, fasten, Christmas, Bristol, kitchen. Spelling. Fill in the blanks with NG, ND or NK. Band, sing, pink, hand, drink, wing. Punctuation. Read this sentence. Rohan liked Anjali's Rangoli. The apostrophe and S tells us something belongs to someone. Now read this group of words. Rohan's clothes, the clothes that belong to Rohan. Rohan's bag, the bag that belongs to Rohan. Insert the apostrophe S at the correct places. The hat that belongs to mother's hat. The house that belongs to Rita, Rita's house. The book that belongs to girl's book. The cat that belongs to boy, boy's cat. The toy that belongs to dog, dog's toy. The cap that belongs to player, player's cap. The book that belongs to Gina, Gina's book. The football that belongs to girl, girl's football. You have already learnt about using a full stop and question mark. So, you know what a sentence that tells something or states something is a statement. We can use a full stop at the end of a statement. Rohan was angry, full stop. Anjali came inside the room, full stop. A sentence that asks about something is called as a question. We use a question mark at the end of a question. Who had taken the pledge at school? Will you listen to me? Tick the correct punctuation marks that have been used. Okay, complete this activity. Put a full stop or question mark or at the end of this sentence. You can complete this. Next, read these words. Rice, red, rose, rat. In this list, all the words begin with same letter. To write these words in alphabetical order, look at the second letter of each word. So the alphabetical order of these words are rat, red, rice, rose. Rewrite these words in alphabetical order. You can complete. Writing. Look at the pictures. Write 2 sentences to describe it. You can complete this activity. Then there are some activities. Then comes My Word Bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in this story. You can write it. Yeah. This completes the chapter. You can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.